When I was a child, doing something again and again seemed like the most boring thing in the world. Now I feel like revolutions are circular motions. They don't repeat, they echo, leading to a similar, yet always different happening or feeling.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, dropping in 10.
Revolving and constantly in motion. It's an infinite process of finding inspiration in the previous and adding it to the next. Pedaling a bike or rewinding a camera sets me up for an adventure. It's usually the same motions, yet it always gets me to different places, leaving me with the most beautiful scenarios. Photography, writing and vice versa. I find pleasure in catching all these moments.